In this video, I will create professional account from personal account, and for better result, watch this video till the end. Let's start video. Open your Instagram application, then tap on profile icon, and after that tap on sandwich button on upper right corner, and here you can see option setting. Tap on that, and after scroll up, now tap on account. After that, scroll up a little bit, and here you can see an option switch to professional account. Tap on that. After that, tap create again, and from here you can select category according to your topic. So I'm just selecting digital creator and tap on done. So then proceed to next step. Here tap on not now, and here you have to complete 4 tasks. So one of them is get inspired, so you just have to follow some people from here, just I am doing, and then tap on select. You have to see first step is completed. Second step is follow account you know, and you have to follow just some account, then tap on check mark here. Here you can see second option is also done, and last step will done when you post something. Now go back, and here you can see account type has been changed to digital creator.